New Fine Art Magic Volume 1 by Darin Martineau, 31 video downloads and 10 ebooks. Learn over 100 revolutionary new magic routines and advanced new techniques now. Includes 6 Senses Card Routine, Card Printing Artistry, Angels and Demons Transposition, the Eclipse Color Change, Mirror Aces Routine, New Fusion Matrix, New Backfire Matrix, Biting a Jumbo Coin, New Change of Mind, Alan Ackerman, John Cornelius, and Darin Martineau. New Red and Black Double Transpo by Darin Martineau. New Strange Exchange Finale by Darin Martineau, inspired by a Paul Harris effect. New Spellbound and Stretching Chinese Coin Routine by Darin Martineau. New Think Tank by Darin Martineau. Reflections of Reality 2 by Darin Martineau. The Hummingbird Full Deck, False Cuts by Darin Martineau. The Magic Phoenix by Darin Martineau. The Gradual Ghost Color Change by Darin Martineau. The New Defective Deck by Darin Martineau. The New Stubborn Card by Darin Martineau, based on a Bob Hummer effect. The Super Jumbo Spellbound Routine by Darin Martineau. Tiger Torn and Restored Card by Darin Martineau. Torn Corner of Card to Sugar Packet by Darin Martineau. Visual Bill to Card by Darin Martineau. The Sweet Transposition by Darin Martineau. Clean Oil and Water by Darin Martineau. Oil Spill, Clean Up by Darin Martineau. New Double Brainwave and Deck Vanish by Darin Martineau. Rosette Aces by Darin Martineau. The Ultimate Cannibal Cards Routine by Darin Martineau. The Golden Phoenix Aces, 2 by Darin Martineau. The Houdini Card by Darin Martineau, Effect, an impossible card to spectator's pocket. The Super Card Routine, 5 card routines that flow into a smooth card act. Gemini Mates by Alan Ackerman. Together at Last by Harry Lorraine. Separating the Men from the Boys by Alex Elmsley. Spectator Cuts Double by Darin Martineau and Ed Marlowe. One Poor Lion by Alex Elmsley. Also includes 10 magic ebooks. Fine Art Close-Up Magic by Darin Martineau. Functional Flourishes, Volume 1, Learn 17 Card Flourishes combined with magic. Functional Flourishes, Volume 2, Learn 13 Card Flourishes combined with magic. Revolutionary Close-Up Magic Volume 1 by Darin Martineau. Revolutionary Close-Up Magic Volume 2 by Darin Martineau. Super Visual Color Changes by Darin Martineau, and much more. Learn over 100 revolutionary new magic routines and advanced new techniques now.